Hello, in this video we will give you instructions on how to send crypto on Binance, the best way to send and receive cryptocurrency. First of all, you need to have an account at Binance. You can click on the registration link in the description box to get a welcome reward from Binance. Remember to click on the link in the description box to get a welcome reward up to $1,000 from Binance when you create a new account. Also, you can refer to our tutorial video with step-by-step registration guide in the description box. I posted registration link with exclusive offer as well as the video link there. After creating a Binance account successfully, you use your phone, download the Binance app here, then launching the Binance account on your phone with the downloaded Binance app. This is the interface of Binance after you launching into your account. To send crypto, you click on Wallets here. Next, you click on the wallet that you want to send crypto from. For example, I click on Funding because I want to send crypto from Funding wallet. Next, you click on Withdraw. Then you search for the coin that you want to send here. For example, I want to send USDT, so I search and click on USDT. Then you will see a withdraw dialog box with two options here. Send via crypto network or send via email or phone or ID. With the second choice here, send via email or phone or ID, you can send crypto to other Binance users using email, phone or Binance ID or QR code. This is free of charge. You can refer to our tutorial video on how to send crypto with Binance Pay, Binance ID, QR code. I posted in the description box. In this video, I will instruct you to send crypto with the first choice, send via a crypto network. You can click on the first option. Then you will see this send USDT interface. You need to get the address and crypto network from receiver. You need to ask the receiver about the address and crypto network. Then you enter the receiver's address into the address section here. You click on this icon at network section to choose the crypto network. Each network has its own transaction fee, minimum withdrawal, and arrival time. For example, I select this one, Polygon POS, with the fee is 0.15 USDT. Minimum withdrawal is 4 USDT. Arrival time estimated 2 minutes. Another way for you to import the address here is click on this icon to scan the QR code. Then you will see the same address here. Similarly, you click on this icon, then select the network. Next, enter the quantity of crypto you want to send into this withdrawal amount section. Remember to add the transaction fee. For example, I want to send 4 USDT. I need to enter 4 plus the transaction fee is 0.15 equal 4.15 USDT here. But it is free now. After checking the information here carefully, you click on Withdraw. Then you will see a confirm order here with the network address, withdrawal amount, network fee, wallet. Next, you click on Confirm. Then you need to verify the transaction here with the verify method you set up. I verify with Face ID. When you wait for the withdrawal processing, you will receive an email once the withdrawal is completed. This is the email Binance informed me that the withdrawal is successful. You click on this mail, then you will see the withdrawal successful details here with the withdrawal direct transaction ID. Moreover, you can back to your Binance account on your phone with the Binance app. Then click on Wallets here. Click on Overview. Then you will see the crypto withdrawals completed here. Click on this one. Click on withdrawals. Click on this transaction. You will see the withdrawal details here. You can take a screenshot of this withdrawal detail, then send it to the receiver to inform that you sent the crypto already. Alright, we have just given you instructions on how to send crypto on Binance, the best way to send and receive cryptocurrency. You can subscribe our channel to get notification of new useful videos. Thank you very much for your time. See you in the next video.